So I hate moving around with a heavy wallet. I like me a slim wallet that carries just a basic amount of cards. So for example, I have 3 cards right here. One other card in here, maybe my driver's license or some other type of form of identification card over here. I like a wallet that's very small and slim in design, that has a nice feel to it. I also like a MagSafe compatible wallet. So for example, this wallet by ESR is MagSafe compatible. So if you have a MagSafe compatible phone case such as this, you can simply attach it to it, and now everything is secure as you move around through the day. The good part about this wallet is that it also has a kickstand capabilities, which means I can hold my phone up hands-free vertically or horizontally, depending on what I would like to do. One update that I would like to integrate into this wallet, because it's so small, so slim, it's easily losable if you're not careful with it. So for that particular reason, I also want a wallet that if I was to lose it, it would have a Find My Wallet feature. The wallet that comes from Apple does have that Find My Wallet feature, but it's not the best. So let me show you a good update to this overall design that encapsulates every aspect that I just showed you, from the slimness, the MagSafe capability, the kickstand capability, and the ability to carry multiple cards, but with a great Find My Wallet feature. So let me show you which wallet I'm going to use to update from this wallet design. And here it is, my new go-to wallet. This is also by ESR. This is a Halo Geo wallet stand by ESR. This wallet is capable of doing all the great features that I just mentioned before, which is capable of holding multiple cards, holding your phone up in a vertical and horizontal position in the kickstand feature. The main feature that I really wanted was the Find My feature, which the wallet has completely integrated into it. So let me unbox all of this so you can see what's inside. So here it is. Inside the packaging, this is what you get inside the packaging. You have a quick starter guide. This shows you how to connect the wallet to your actual phone. First, you have to turn on 2-factor authentication, find my iPhone, location services, activate Bluetooth, power on the device, go into the Find My iPhone app. Once inside the Find My iPhone app, search under other supported items, and you're going to see the ESR Halo wallet. So this is a user manual. I don't believe you're going to use this because the device is so easy and straightforward. This is going to be a last resort for you. This is the charging cable. The charging cable is color coordinated to the wallet that you have. As you can see, it does charge via USB-C, and this is what attaches to the actual wallet. It does have the ESR logo embedded into the actual charging head. And lastly, this is a wallet right here. It shows you what devices it's compatible to. So for example, any iPhone 12 that's MagSafe compatible and up, this wallet is going to work with. As you can see, this is a MagSafe area right here. This is where the connections goes. This is where the cards goes. It has a nice metal finish to it. It does have the ESR logo also right here, and it does also have a loop in case you want to hold your phone like this. To get your cards out, you simply push at the base here and pull your cards out. Capable of carrying 2 digital cards, I'm going to carry my ID, a debit card, and 1 credit card with me, which is what I traditionally use on a daily basis. If you open it up, you could put your cash in here and simply lock it in place if you want to carry some cash with you. To power the device on, you simply press and hold the power button right here for 3 seconds, and the device turns on. As I said, to charge the device, all you have to do is take the charger, which is magnetically aligned, and it quickly connects to the correct charging position. So on one full charge, you will not have to charge this wallet up for at least 3 months, which is a great feature. So as I said, one of the main reasons why I decided to get this wallet is for the MagSafe capabilities and also the Find My Wallet capabilities. As long as you have a MagSafe compatible phone or phone case, you simply attach it, and now you will not lose your wallet while you're on the go. Along with the MagSafe feature, the other feature that I did want to keep was the capability to be able to use the wallet as a stand to hold my phone up vertically or horizontally. So let's say if I'm on a plane or I'm on a call and I don't want to hold my phone, I could simply use the wallet as a stand to hold my phone for me so I could be hands-free. So if you were to lose your wallet while you're on the go, it's easy to find with the Find My Wallet feature. So let me dive into that and show you how to use that particular feature. If you have an iPhone, go into personal information, sign in and security, and turn on two-factor authentication. Next, go to Find My iPhone and turn on Find My iPhone. Once that is done, go to Privacy and Security and ensure that Location Services is on. Once that is done, turn on Bluetooth. In the Find My app, go to Devices, hit the plus sign, and add the wallet. The steps to add the wallet should be super easy and super straightforward. Once you add the wallet, you'll be able to play a song if you're trying to find it, give yourself directions if you lose the wallet, share the wallet with anyone, notify yourself when you leave the wallet behind, and also activate a lost mode. And here you have it, the perfect MagSafe compatible slim wallet from the team over at ESR that you're guaranteed never to lose because of the Find My feature, which is fully integrated into the wallet. For anyone looking for this wallet, you know where to find it. Links in the bio, links in the description. Now that is dope.